Hey guys, my name's Quentin. Today I'm showing you my Craftsman half horsepower chain drive garage door opener. And yes, it is a 139.53930DM, manufactured of March 8th, 2011. Unfortunately, I'm feeling a little bit sick today, because, and I had to stay home from school today, and my mom told me last night that I was supposed to be going to school today, but then, unfortunately, earlier this morning, my mom thought I was going to be better, but unfortunately, I had a little bit of a bad cold this morning. And I didn't want my aides and my teachers and my best friends to get sick, because it makes me uncomfy. I don't like it when they catch my cold. Well, let's just focus in on the opener for now. I got the keypad programmed and our old LiftMaster remote. And the keypad does work. And it was, I know the model number on this one. It's 139.53754-01. Manufactured of January 2012. Man, that is kind of like 12 years old. And that's our old LiftMaster remote, but it was made right before this opener. But when you look on the back, but you can't really see the model number, but except for the manufacture date. But I can't quite remember the model number of this one is, because the label is wearing off. But it was manufactured of April 2008. Well, I am going to show you that light button and the lock button, but we're not actually, actually I'll run it with this wall button. But first, I'm going to show you our LiftMaster remote first, and then I'm not going to show you the code on my keypad, but I'm going to press the lock button, and then I'll show you our LiftMaster remote first. The light blinks twice to let you know that someone is trying to open your garage door. I'm glad it has, I really like it when it has like a light and lock button. I like it when the lock button works on the 139.53930. But many of them usually come with a standard wall button that has no light and lock, but I would prefer this button better so that, well, Well, it's good to have your garage locked, especially in case if you're gone on a very long trip somewhere far away from home. The light button works if you want to have your light on inside of your garage. I liked this button a lot when I was a kid. Okay, now let's run the garage door opener with the LiftMaster remote first. Here we go. Not quite so loud to me, but it does work pretty well. Okay, let's do the safety sensor check. Come on. There we go. The lights blink, the light blinks 10 times to remind you that that something is wrong with your if something is wrong with your safety sensors, or if it's not working properly, or if a child is blocking your garage door when it's closing, or if the safety sensors have died, or if they're out of alignment, or something like that. That's to let you know that something is blocking the safety sensors. Okay, now let's close it with the LiftMaster remote, and here we go. My mom and my dad got this remote when I was a very little kid. That remote is getting closer to 16 years. Okay, now let's use the keypad, but I can't show you the code on it. But when you close the garage door for the Craftsman model, for this keypad, or any others, probably LiftMaster or Chamberlain, that looks like this keypad with that thing that closes and opens, you don't need to put in your code to close it. You just only press the enter button. I actually changed my mind to use the wall button. We're gonna run it one more time with just the wall button. And here we go, and I'll show you the gears spinning. See the gears spinning? Okay, now let's do the closing one more time with the wall button, and here we go. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough for now. I'm sorry that I had a cold. I wasn't too comfy, going to school with a cold, cause I caught my dad's cold, and I don't want my friends and my teachers to catch my cold. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.